Hi, I'm Johnny Hill with Clearfield, and I'm here today to introduce to you a new product in the Fieldsmart small count delivery product line, the 24-port NEMO 4 rated wall box. Many of you are familiar with the 2, 4, or 6 fiber xPAK along with the small count NEMO 4 rated enclosure as a great solution for landing small count fiber into just about any application. But many of you have needs for the same application just with a higher port count and have asked us to deliver a solution that will do 12 or 24 fibers in just about the same manner. And so today we're going to be talking about the 24-port NEMO 4 rated wall box or skid box from Clearfield. As you can see, it is a Clearview multiplied product supporting up to 2 Clearview cassettes or 24 fibers. Just like the Clearview xPAK, the box itself will come with a universal mount kit that will allow you to mount up to 2 cassettes in just about any enclosure in the industry. Today we'll be talking about a Clearfield specific one. As you can see on here, we've got 4 Z brackets, and that is used to create a slack basket or a slack area for doing buffer tube storage. The rest of the pieces snap together and ends up being the mount for up to 2 Clearview cassettes in this box or any other box that 2 cassettes will fit into in the industry. Let's get a closer look at how the installation is performed inside the box. The dimensions of the box are 13 by 18 and just under 4 inches. We have a couple of entry-exit points, and we supply a couple of seal-con fittings with the box. As you can see, there are 6 screws that allow you to more securely lock this box up. It also comes with an industry standard fastener, and for an even more and secure install, you can use this location here for attaching a padlock. The box itself, NEMO 4 rated with this one continuous seal through. As previously mentioned, the box will come with a universal mount for the Clearview cassette. On that universal mount is a card, and that card will have up to 4 Z brackets. You would cut them off with a side cutter. Those Z brackets are then used to create a slack storage area for your buffer tube slack, as we're showing here. The rest of the pieces fold up, snap together, and become that mounting location for your cassette after that install has been performed or the splicing has been done inside of the cassette. As you can see, we've simulated a prep of 2 buffer tubes coming into this, so we're going to be putting 2 Clearview cassettes in here. Buffer tubes have been prepped, have been brought in, slack area has been created. We then perform splicing in the cassette. So our first buffer tube gets done. Second buffer tube gets installed and spliced in. Now we have 2 buffer tubes or 24 fibers spliced into a pre-terminated, preloaded solution. This then now is ready to be mounted onto the universal mount, and you have the option of using the captive fasteners that come with the Clearview cassette or a knurled nut. It looks like this that allows you to install that cassette without any tools, so it's more of a toolless installation. I mean, how many times have you been to an install and didn't have the right tools? So that nut would be able to help you in that regard. From here, you're able to distribute now using patch cords. You can bring conduit or microduct up to the distribution port side of this box, and it will support a variety of applications. And let's show you a different one right now. So what are the applications? Well, the applications are the same as anything that the smaller xPAK and skid box can do, but just with a higher port count, 12 or up to 24. Your classic demarcation extension where you're handing off fiber to your customer. just a demarcation point, handing fiber off right there, and your customer's going to run fiber from that box out where they own it. You could also use the product for a true MDF, IDF scenario, or maybe you're entering the building into a fiber entrance cabinet from Clearfield, and then you're running up through the riser and handing off fiber and terminating fiber for distribution into, say, a larger type of MDU complex. You can do that with either one of these. You could also use this product for cell backhaul, any kind of business class application. We could also load those cassettes with a wave division multiplexing product, whether that be dense or coarse wave, or even circulator kind of product. And because of its NEMA 4 rating, you can also mount this product in the outside plant and address all those applications as well. The box is in position at a very aggressive price point. A 12 fiber cassette along with the new skid box has a list price of under $200. So check it out, call your Clearfield sales representative, and let's see what we can do for you. Thanks.